There are several different types of anxiety disorder. There's generalized anxiety disorder, or GAD. There is panic disorder. There is obsessive compulsive disorder, simple phobias, and post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. Generalized anxiety disorder is a feeling of having general worry or fear about things that are going on that are beyond your control or that you feel are out of your control. Symptoms may include feeling anxious, muscle tension or tightness, or general worry or dread about things. Social phobia is an exaggerated fear of being embarrassed in a social situation. General symptoms would revolve around anxiousness or worry about meeting new people or being in different social situations where you have to talk to people you may not know. Consequently, you try to avoid those situations, and you may have worry or anxiety about upcoming events. In panic disorder, a person has attacks where they feel sudden twinges or feelings of muscle tightness, chest palpitations, and feelings of being out of control. When that happens, they develop a huge worry that it'll happen again. So it leads to anxiety or fear about that occurring again. Post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, is when you develop symptoms of anxiety after a traumatic event or an experience. You may have actually been the victim of the event, or you may know someone who's been in that type of event, or you might have seen it yourself happen to someone else. Obsessive compulsive disorder, or OCD as it's generally called, is a type of anxiety disorder in which a person has uncontrolled thoughts, generally called obsessions, that keep racing through their head that they can't stop. As a consequence, to deal with these obsessions, they develop these ritualistic behaviors, which are called compulsions, that they try to do to lower their general feeling of distress. Specific phobias are generally things like being afraid of situations that really aren't that harmful. So, for example, having a fear of dogs, a fear of enclosed spaces, or a fear of water, or something like that.